Which dogs are the most free? Which dogs are the most free? I'm being slash serious right now. Which literal canine units, the ones I'm attracted to physically, are the most free? It's the ones without leashes, right? You might say it's the wild dogs. You might say it's the strays or the tweaker dogs on the res. I found that the dogs that are the most free, with the best lives, are the dogs that are loyal to good masters. I was at this exact park about a week ago. No, it was a few weeks ago, I think. And I saw this dog get out of his owner's car off of a leash. So I went, cringe. I'm gonna have to deal with this now. But the dog was perfectly behaved. It was not a pit bull. Wow, sorry for the redundancy there. The dog was perfectly behaved. Keep our parks golden, am I right? No. But the dog was very well behaved. It made some distance initially from its owner, so I thought, what's going on here? And don't take that wrong in the post-metaphor realizations, okay? But it sat and it waited and it watched its owner for command. And it followed that command. And this was the most happiest dog I saw that day and since. The most excited, energetic, and well shaped, all around maxed dog I've seen in a minute. Listen. You need to seriously reflect as to which master you're serving. Are you like the reservation dogs, and do you simply serve yourself? Are you like the pit bull, and do you serve vicious, evil, carnal desires? Are you like the misbehaving dog, who follows a poor owner, who doesn't know how to even literally keep their dog on a leash? Not that a leash is necessary with a good master-dog relationship. Not to call yourself a dog. Understand which master you're following. You can probably guess which master I'm following. I'm doing my best to be a good dog. I have a lot of work to do. Well, and I hear voices. I'm not going to impede on their privacy. But it's purely dependent on that. We all follow a master. All of us. Which one is it? Which one is it? I learned this in real estate and the Bible. Primarily the Bible at this point, which is good. But no man can serve two masters. No real estate agent can be signed with two brokers. Don't worry, I'm not going on a tangent. I just wanted to throw that in there. Okay? So who are you serving? And are you a good boy? Boy is gender neutral, by the way. Okay? I guess good girl is used with dogs. It's epic style. Let me give you that kiss. Hold up. Is that Coca-Cola chapstick from the Dollar Tree? Word. I love you though. High key. Okay? Subscribe if you think it was an earnest travesty that Shalat signed with Manscaped. I'm not stalling. I just don't want to miss you. I don't want to miss you. Subscribe, you might never see me again. No, for real though. Hit that bell. Okay, I'm done. I'll see you later.